Hello everyone, I am Dr. Farha Naaz, consultant ENT and cochlear implant surgeon at Mythri Hospital. If you're constantly sneezing, have a blocked nose, facial pressure, or recurring sinus issues, don't assume it is just the weather. What you could be suffering from is allergic rhinosinusitis. Dust pollution, pollen, and environmental allergens can trigger ongoing inflammation in the nose and the sinuses. Many patients ignore these symptoms for years. Over time, poor sleep, mouth breathing, headaches, reduced concentration, and repeated infections can begin to affect your quality of life. The good news is that these symptoms can be managed effectively with proper treatment. If allergies are affecting your daily routine, it's time to get evaluated. For any ENT related issues, please consult us at Mythri Hospital, Attapur.